You see what I'm saying? Okay. And like the crazy part about it is people legit watch her go out like that.
Bro, I got some shit to say about that, man. If this podcast gets out and anybody fucking sees this, right? If anybody sees this that was on that train, that was sitting around that woman while that man stabbed the fuck out of her, you as a man, and I'm talking to you deep in your fucking soul, you are the biggest piece of fucking shit. You watch this grown ass man that probably had 150 pounds on this little woman stab the fuck out of her, and y'all did nothing. Fuck you. Fuck